If I talk about industrial reason and industrial complex. Suppose I say that if there is a car and then seat cover is this side, outside several seat covers, steering is this side, engine is this side, several engines, and car body is this side. So automobile industry, I say, in the Gurgaon automobile industry, उसने क्या बना दिया? आउटर स्ट्रक्चर. इंजन कहाँ से है? कहीं और से. स्टीयरिंग बनकर कहाँ से है? कहीं और से. कहीं और से, कहीं और से. लेकिन in a region everything is available and then this much, this much, this much, this much, then it is, I said, that industrial complex. It is known as what? Industrial complex. But industrial region, if I say that industrial complex is smaller, it will be in the smaller region. Industrial complex, it will be in a what? A smaller region. But industrial region, if I am talking about, it is in a larger aspect. Industrial region is, and I said that it can be minor industrial region, it can be major industrial region. It is in a larger aspect where there is factors of production. I said that raw materials, energy, transportation, population, large number of, what is the population? In an industrial region, 1.5 lakh people are involved in the, I said that in the industries. In the major industrial region, 1.5 lakh and more. Minor industrial region, 25,000 and more. Getting my point? So in an industrial region, if I am talking about when the population employed or involved directly is 1.5 lakh and more, it is known as a major industrial region, and minor industrial region if the population involved is 25,000 and more. But both are depending on factors of location. Both are depend on what is the factors of location. समझ में आ गया? What is industrial complex and what is the industrial region? Industrial complex, it is made by one product and then related other products. I said that related other byproducts in the nearby region. If I am saying, like I said that sugar mills nearby good, sugar cane nearby good and all, it is growing sugar and other bagasse, 4 bottle vodka, सब लोग आपस में grow कर रहे हैं paper industry. So it will become an industrial complex. Understood? But industrial region is I said that it consists of larger area. It is an of what? The Gorakhpur can be in a what? Industrial complex. एक छोटा सा रीजन देखा जाए तो वहाँ पे एक क्या है? शुगर केन प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. उसके आसपास क्या बन गया? उससे रिलेटेड बाई प्रोडक्ट्स. I said that sugar mills and then bagasse, say 4 bottle मतलब wine industry, and then we can be able to get, I said that gold industries and all other things which are started. That is known as an industrial complex. Understood? Which are main industry and the related products growing in the form of what? Complex form. Growing in what? Complex form in a small region. Understood? So what is the meaning of industrial complex right now? In industrial complex, industrial complex is in a small region phenomena in which is in a comparatively small region phenomena in which a main industry and related byproduct are surrounded in complex form considered as industrial complex. Like in Gurugram, automobile industry and nearby availability of different parts for completing car. Different parts for completing car. In similar manner, we can see in Gorakhpur sugarcane production sugar mill gur making houses wine production existing in complex form. In Jharkhand, nearby coal mine smaller industries, fertilizer industries, growing in complex form. Change the para. But on the other hand, industrial region cover larger area and it depends upon factors of location and it depends upon factors of location like raw material, energy, transportation, cheap labor, market proximity, along with population employed in industries. If in an industrial region locational factors are existing, and population employed is around 25,000 or more around 25,000 more till 1.5 lakh known as minor industrial reason. In such minor industrial reason, having a spread effect up to few districts in the surrounding. Few districts and surrounding, and surrounding districts are commuting in the nearby, surrounding people are commuting in the nearby industrial districts. For example, Allahabad, Mirzapur, Varanasi, minor industrial region. समझ में आ रहा है? So what I am saying that आप इलाहाबाद, मिर्जापुर एंड वाराणसी में जाएंगे, it is in one minor industrial region. और यहाँ पर क्या होगा, ध्यान दें, क्या होगा, people are commuting here and there, and then population involved in those industries. In the Mirzapur देखोगे the industries are there. इलाहाबाद से people वहाँ आ रहे हैं, बनारस से आ रहे हैं, some in the बनारस, some in the इलाहाबाद, आपस में commute करते रहते हैं. और ये खुद का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं तो ट्रेन से आते जाते रहता हूँ, तो मतलब जब आप लोग भी आप यदि जाते होंगे, यदि इलाहाबाद से क्रॉस करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा, आपको बोलेंगे थोड़ा सा आप साइड हो जाओ. स्लीपर क्लास में क्या करते हैं लोग, साइड हो जाओ और ऊपर में बैठ जाएंगे. रात के 8-9 बजे, मैं 1 घंटे 2 घंटे पहुंच गया. सो दैट इज आई सेड दैट एवरी डे कम्यूटिंग, एंड दैट इलाहाबाद, मिर्जापुर, एंड आई सेड दैट वाराणसी इज इन अ माइनर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? So this way we can be able to understand कि कहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है. Understood? It is in a, हम लोग इंडस्ट्रियल कॉम्प्लेक्स इस छोटा है, माइनर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन इज इन, वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रियल कॉम्प्लेक्स का अंडरस्टैंडिंग अलग है. इसमें लोकेशनल फैक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट भी है. माइनर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन में क्या है, लोकेशनल फैक्टर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. मिर्जापुर के पास ही आपको रेणुकूट, यू नो दैट, हिंडाल्को, आई हैव सेड दैट. तो वही नहीं है, और भी दूसरे भी हैं वहाँ पर. But it depends upon locational factor. It depends upon what? Transportation, energy, raw material, सारी चीज मैंने बताया. लेकिन गुड़गांव लोकेशनल फैक्टर पे नहीं है. यहाँ पे यदि कार प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, लोकेशनल नहीं, डिमांड है. लोकेशनल फैक्टर के लिए तो रॉ मटेरियल एंड ऑल इट चाहिए, लेकिन ये डिमांड बेसिस पे आ गया है ना. सो व्हेन इट इज ग्रोइंग एट द डिमांड बेसिस और समथिंग, इट बिकम एन स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रियल कॉम्प्लेक्स. तो छोटे छोटे इंडस्ट्रियल कॉम्प्लेक्स तैयार हो जाते हैं ऑलवेज. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या मैंने बोला, मेजर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन. सो लिखेंगे माइनर. देयर आर अराउंड 15 माइनर इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन इन इंडिया.